sun on my skin. Feels like the world finally slowed down again. Suitcase open by the door, left my worries on the floor. Taxi driving toward the sea, nothing waiting there but me. Palm trees dancing in the breeze, time moving exactly how I please. No alarms and no regrets, just horizons and sunsets. Phones turned off, hearts turned on. Somehow every stress is gone. Golden days and ocean waves, laughing loud where the sunlight stays. Parasol drinks and midnight songs, right here is where we belong. Barefoot dreams in summer air, good friends gathered everywhere. If forever feels this way, let me live inside these golden days. Let me live inside these golden days. Street cafe under glowing lights, stories shared through endless nights. Fresh grilled food in glasses raised, every smile a moment saved. Ocean whispers near the shore, we stopped searching for much more. Simple joy inside a glance, life feels like a second chance. Salt water heals when time forgets. Peace arise without regret. Golden days and ocean waves, laughing loud where the sunlight stays. Parasol drinks and midnight songs, right here is where we belong. Barefoot dreams in summer air, good friends gathered everywhere. If forever feels this way, let me live inside these golden days. Lanterns floating in the sky, fireflies slowly drifting by. Someone plays a soft guitar, suddenly we're who we are. Hold this moment, don't let go. Every heartbeat moving slow. Golden days beneath blue skies, sunset colors in your eyes. Every laugh becomes a flame burning bright without a name. When the summer fades away, memories will always stay. In my heart I hear them say, life was perfect for a day. Life's perfect for a day. Ocean breathing, glasses clean, distant laughter. We were never richer than we were right then.